In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Ocean credit card. If you also got the credit card of Ocean and you're trying to activate your card, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now there are two ways that you can activate it. Either you can activate it offline or online. To activate it offline, you can either call this number if you're in the US, or if you're outside of US, you can call this toll-free number. So depending upon where you are, you can call these numbers and activate your card. But if you want to activate it online, you can either download the mobile banking app of Capital One or use the website of Capital One to activate your card. Because Ocean Bank credit cards are actually issued by Capital One, you can activate it using the website of Capital One or the app of Capital One. You can search for verified.capitalone.com and it's going to take you to the screen where you can just click on sign in and activate, or enroll and activate. Or you can also do it from the mobile app of Capital One. So that was the video on activating your Ocean Bank credit card. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.